This is why you need a mini lawnmower for your backyard DIY projects. Stick around and we'll show you how to make one from scratch. First, grab a small plastic or metal container to be the base of your machine. Attach some toy car wheels to the bottom for mobility. Now secure a DC motor inside the base, making sure the motor shaft points downward and rotates freely. Next, carefully fix thin metal or recycled fan blades onto the motor shaft. Ensure they're sharp and balanced. Time to wire it up. Connect the motor to a battery holder using wires. For extra control, add a switch between the motor and battery. Secure the battery inside the container with hot glue or tape. Ready for a test run? Place your mini mower on some grass and switch it on. If needed, adjust the blades for better cutting. Remember, safety first. Always turn off the machine while making adjustments. Customize it with some paint and you're done. Congratulations, you've built your very own mini lawnmower. Happy mowing.